Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we'll be doing the unboxing and we'll take a quick look at Nutribullet 900W blender. There's a series of blenders, 600 watts, 900 watts, and then there are higher ranges. The 900 watt is something pricey and it's somewhat of a proposition in the Black Friday sale. The one that we've got is for £67 and in the normal days it's sold for $79.99. So it's sort of a £12 discount, and the ranges of these NutriBullet blenders are sought after in the market, and these blenders essentially are being sold very widely because of the branding, construction and the efficiency with which they perform. So let's not waste any more time and let's go ahead with the unboxing. So here's the box that we've got. And obviously there are pictures of the product, Nutribullet 900W, and there's this information: more muscle, essential design, nutrition in no time, cleans like a dream, only with NutriBullet. This is the 900W blender, and you've got supercharged nutrient extractor and all this information, more power, and there are smoothies and all these stuff that you can obviously do and you can think about doing. Let's go ahead and open the box. Welcome to the team NutriBullet. Nice. Some user guide. Obviously something that we'll look at later on. And by the way guys, if you think my voice is a bit muffled, I'm actually using a new pop filter. So just let me know in the comment section if you think it's muffled or it's slightly better than my previous videos, and I can literally think about using this pop filter. Okay, so coming back to the unboxing, we've got this cap. So that was separate on the box for some reason, so we've got that, and there's this cable with the fuse inbuilt, so you don't have to have a separate fuse for these cables. And let me just connect it to the power right up. So yeah, there you can see it's fused already, so it's got a fuse inside. And there we have it. Here's the whole lot on the NutriBullet stuff in the box. Here's all the components within the box. As you can see, there's NutriBullet itself. There's some vapors on top because it's cold, and you've got a lot of information on top already. Household use only, usage domestic. So there's some information, lots of information. I don't want to read those. But inside, you've got the wheel, the motor that runs in. It's quite heavy, and I can feel it's almost half a kilo, probably more than that, but it's quite heavy. And then you've got the jars. This is the small one with the cutters, the blades on it, and the back of it, this fits on top of the blender. And here's the blades. Blades are not sharp. Obviously they are slightly less blunt, but they are very strong and sturdy. So that basically is used to cut through all of these hardened blending requirements. We've got all of these fruits and veggies, all of them in their raw construction, and these blenders will basically cut through all of those and give you a really nice smoothie if you like. So there's the other jar. That's the big one. There's a big jar and there's a small jar. Majorly the difference on the 600 watt and the 900 watt is the 600 watt has got the smaller jar, obviously pretty much the same blades, but it's less powerful. 600 watt of course, and this is 900 watt, so this will cut through a lot more, and in the more granularity, and if you're looking to make a good smoothie, nice smoothie in the morning, this is a better option. It will be quick and it will be more granular. Okay, so there's this cap as well, which we obviously know we can take alongside. It basically becomes a jar. You do your smoothie, do your shakes, milkshakes, banana shakes, and then just cap it up. So you can just use it as a jar, which is really good. So let's try it out. I've got the wires connected and let's see how this fares. Let's hear the voice of the blender, the 900-watt blender. And you just have to press it from the top. There you can hear it. You can hear it. That's loud. And it's a strong motor inside. It does smell a bit as you start. It basically feels like burning plastic initially, but I think it's quite common with all of these products. A majority of their construction is plastic, and you can obviously think that saves a lot of money, but then that's pretty much it. At least from the unboxing and the initial review perspective, this is quite good. I find the jar quite sturdy, strong, got a lot of caps and replacements on top of it. And there's a small jar and then the bigger jar, so you can basically accommodate the whole family within this particular space, which is really good. And obviously the other aspect is the build quality, which is really nice. At least the motor and the exterior is really heavy and strong, which makes me feel really confident about this product. You just don't want to go to a store and get a 20-pound blender, which is going to break in 2 weeks or 2 months. You want something that lasts long enough. I think this will last long. This should go for years, I think. And then obviously you're backed by a warranty. I don't know if it's 2 years warranty or 5 years warranty, or maybe 1 year. I don't really know. I have to find that out. So I'm going to do another video with a nice smoothie that I'm going to put together, and I'm going to show you while I drink it. So just wait for that video. So that's it for this video. This is the unboxing and an initial review. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post them in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to My Next Best. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
You're gone and I gotta stay.